Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A15 and today I'll try to show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. But I found out that in this smartphone we get some kind of the bug when you use the fingerprint sensor, so take a look. Right now I'm going to lock smartphone and the sensor is right here, right? So when I put my fingerprint, in normal case the smartphone should be unlocked, so take a look. I press here with my fingerprint, but nothing happened. And when I press the power key, smartphone is already unlocked. When I swipe like that, it's unlocked. But take a look, when I go for the settings, for the fingerprint, face and password, and my biometric settings I set up, fingerprint and face, and also the lock screen password is enabled, as you can see. Take a look again. Not working. When I press power key, I can just swipe and open device. Another time. Right now I didn't even press fingerprint. Take a look another time. And when we hide the front camera, it's the same. So I don't know what it is, but it's very funny bug. For me, I see something like this for the first time in the smartphone. Take a look, when I swipe down to lock, right now I can use the fingerprint sensor. But of course it's not the way how you use it in the most smartphones, right? When you got low screen, you press your finger here. Oh, as you can see right now it works. Let's try it another time. And right now it's not working. So as you can see in OPPO A15, I found that there is some kind of the bug. I don't know how it's in your case. If you got this smartphone, tell me in the comment. But I just cannot show you how it works because it's just some kind of the bug. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.